You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Today, I am sharing my hair diary with you guys. I hope you enjoy it.
Today is August 22nd, and you are here looking at your hair. Lately, you have been wearing the big Effie ponytail. Hair diary. Today is Thursday, September 4th, 2025. Well, it looks like to you progress is happening. Progress is happening. Your hair feels stronger. You had it slicked down today in the ponytail style. So you combing really the gel out. You are about to go wash your hair.
So, since I know I am making really good progress with my hair, today is September 4th, 2025. So, I am combing my hair backwards, making small parts. The back is already clipped, and I told you all that I love to wear my hair short in the back and on the sides. But now I am just going to let it all catch up together. So, the top is always longer than the back. So, I am making small little parts, small little sections, and I'm going around taking all of the ends off that needs clipping. Now, I don't like for my hair to be see-through, and because my hair is growing very well and the routine that I am doing to my hair is working, I will be parting small pieces of the front of my hair off, and I will be trimming the ends. I do not like for my hair to be see-through. As you see, the roots of my hair is very, very thick. And I told you the aloe vera and water does that to my hair. So I tell you what, if you all want me to start making videos on my full hair journey of how I grow my hair, how often I clip my ends, then put it in the comment section down below. And that way we all can just do this hair journey together.
You're going to wash your hair. Look at that. Look at that. I would say what you're doing now, keep doing. Today is September 9th, and this is part 5. You washed your hair last night, and you rinsed it out and put Hawaiian silk on it.
So last night I did a co-wash on my hair, and then I am doing something new with the aloe vera and water. I will spray that on my hair at night and let it sit on for 20 to 30 minutes. Then I will rinse it out, and then I will co-wash my hair. After that, I will moisturize my hair down with Hawaiian silk and grease my scalp with Sulfurate. You see me picking out my hair, and I want all of my ends to be thick. If my hair is see-through, then I will clip the ends. I am letting the back of my hair catch up with the top of my hair, and my hair is growing good and fast. I'm going to tell you right now, start a hair diary. You will be so shocked at what your hair responds to and what it does not respond to. And you will see the progress that it is or isn't making.
So now you are about to go over your ends again.
Now, if this video is helping you all in any way, I would really appreciate it if you would thumbs up, like, and subscribe to the channel. Also, leave in the comment section down below any concerns that you may have about your hair and your hair journey. Look, if you are afraid to clip your ends, then that is not going to help you, especially if the ends are bad, because it's only going to work its way down the hair shaft. As you see here, I am pulling my hair backwards and I am clipping the ends. And depend on what you want to do with your hair. Remember, I have told you in many videos, you do not have to clip your ends even. The progress that my hair is making because I am paying attention to what it needs and what it is responding to in a positive way, my hair is taking off. The other thing that I have been telling you guys about is, what are you sleeping in? Make sure that the bonnet that you are wearing is satin or silk. Now, if your bonnet is stretching, then it has some fibers in there that is not really good for your hair at all. The spandex and things of that nature is not good. I have made a video about that, and I want you to go check that out as well, because we are making wraps for our hair in an inexpensive way to make sure that our hair is getting the best treatment possible. Now, at the end of this video, just by doing the little ends clippings that I am doing now, you are going to see a difference in how my hair looks. Now, this may be a lot to you all, but this is not a lot at all. So I'm telling you, if you have bad ends on your hair, get them off of your hair ASAP, because you don't want to mess around and find out the damage that it can do if you leave it on there. All right, so it's going to start over. I am going to comb through my hair, and I am looking at the progress that I have made with clipping my ends. And like I said, at the end of the video, you will see just where I am. And I'm going to leave a little bit on there just so you can see the difference. So I'm looking at my hair, and like I said, I'm not really going for evenness. I am just going for healthiness. Ever since we have been using that aloe vera and water, it has been working out great. And there's many ways to use it. You can use it as a leave-in, or you can use it as just a conditioner if you want to spray it on your hair and then wash it out. So I'm looking at my hair, I'm looking at my ends, and just by doing that small ends clip, it looks good. So I'm going to go over it some more. I am going to go over it some more, because you know what? Like I said, I am just going to make all of my hair even gradually. Gradually. So here it looks like I'm scratching, but I am actually massaging. I have also made a video for you all about how to massage your hair and, get that circulation going, that blood circulation going. That really helps your hair grow as well. So we are sitting up here, we picking the hair out. Look at that. Look at that. So I am going to go over it a little bit more. Now, if you have been watching the videos, then you know we have a lot of hairstyles, a lot of them. Whereas you can care for your hair, put your hair up in the morning, take it down at night, and do your routine and allow your hair to grow, all while you are taking care of it and it is looking beautiful. Now, you see my hair here? I'm just going to go over it again, because I'm gradually taking these ends off. I don't want my hair to be see-through. I don't. And with the little ends clipping that I have been doing, I'm telling you, my hair is stronger, it's thicker, and I am loving it. And when I'm ready to style my hair, I will grab one of those pieces that I have shown you how to make. And then we're just going to continue doing our night treatments, and my hair is growing. Look at that. Now, in a minute, I'm going to show you a before and after. So I'm going to leave a little bit in the top so you can see the difference from the sides and the top.
They'll be calling me, calling me.